The making of the modern public intellectual. This article is based on the fundamentals of just law. Law is not the source of its moral authority and legitimacy. A setback to democracy. Centuries later, M.K. Gandhi reiterated that law is binding only if it satisfies the unwritten codes of public ethics. He spoke in the context of colonial rule. Surely, democratic regimes ought to respect the right of citizens to dissent. In today's India, however, holders of state power refuse to tolerate ideas, reflection, debate, and discussion. 2 years ago, the government arrested eminent members of civil society on charges that were produced by conspirational imaginations. On April 14th, two of India's well known scholars or activists, Anand Teltumbde and Gautam Navlekha, surrendered before the National Investigation Agency. In early April, an FIR was filed by the Uttar Pradesh government against the editor of the news website, the Veere Siddharth Vardharajan. The charges in this case are flimsy. Intellectuals are being penalized for taking the government. Depressing commentary. The arrests are depressing commentary on the nature of the present government. Sophisticated societies respect intellectuals because they subject the present to the historically informed investigation, interpretation, critique, and prescription. This is integral to the idea of democratic politics as a self-critic. Politics establishes rules that govern multiple transactions of society. It cannot be its defendant, judge, and jury. If politics is, as Aristotle put it, the master science, it has to accept reflective and critical activity. Politics is too important to be left to politicians alone. While authorization societies breed court historians, mature democracies appreciate critical scholarship. But today, intellectualism is dismissed contemptuously and as elitist. Not only does this attitude foster a culture of mediocrity, but intellectuals who hold a mirror to the state are also hounded and arrested. This is a setback to democracy because it forecloses engagement with structures of power. Without its public intellectuals, democracy slides into authoritarianism.